Guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a DIY hook earring. And this one, the stone we need, this one is the petersite stone, and size 12 mm. Gonna need this too for the fair. And this one is the 925 accessories, also the 925 rose gold accessories also, and of course we need the pliers. I use 3 kinds of pliers. This one is just to cut this long one, and then this one is the one to hold the long one for the twist, and this one to form a circle. Yes, so just watch out on how to make a simple design of a hook earring petersite stone. So at first we need the stone, and then we have you can see the hole, right? And then we can put this one here. You can see, yes, it should be like this. And then another one also like this. See, this one. So I'm gonna use this one to form a bit circle to hold the hook. You see? Okay, twist it like this, and also the other side. Yes. See, have this one, right? You can see it. We both need this. Also the other side. Yeah, you saw it. Yes, and now this one, there's a hole, right? You can put this one in, see? And then the other one also, right? You can see it, right? Yes, it's like this. And now I'm gonna turn it, twist it, or make a lock. Yeah, you need to hold like this one. And I'm gonna get this one to twist these accessories, turn around. 1, 2. See, just 2 rounds, and then you can see it's already locked, right? So this one is a sharp one to cut this one. See? Yeah. Same method to this one. But of course, sometimes it has an error like this. You can see. So we need another hook, another silver. Not a silver. It's a rose gold. Make sure this need to lock it a bit. Yeah. Also the same to other. Ta-da! So fast, right? Here is the Peter side hook earring. Simple and easy.